Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today this video actually I am going to show you how can you make money online and how you can take money instantly. While you watching this video, you can earn money directly from there. Okay, I'll show you right now live proof. So for that, what you have to do, you have to do some app, like as you can see there. This is the one app which is I'm talking about right now to talk. Okay, or else you just download Botim. As you can see, Botim, these two apps actually we use for chatting, right? We can talk by this phone, this app or anything, but this app have some feature option which is very cool. Okay, so we just go to this app like this one. Okay, we just open off this to talk. All right, so when you go to see, they have some. When I click this, actually today I just click on this. When you start click on, they give a 9 off in your pocket, yeah, and instant cash out up to 5,000. This is actually a loan option. When you go there, you can earn some more money from there. All right, if you want take loan, you can take from the loan also. So for that, you no need to give any any kind of document over there. Okay, so as you can see right now, this PayBy receive cash gift. So if I going to there, just a while ago I just received this 10 so like that you can see over there lot of currency over there. As you can see, I have received cash gift 5 also, and there is 10, and there is 10, there is 10, there is 10, there is unlimited. You can see every time I can get from this 20. There is have a lot of, there is have seen 980, then 10, 10 and 5, you see 10, 10, 10, 10. So every time you go there, you can get money. This is simple. And when you want when you going to just upload this app, when you upload this app, instant you will receive the 10 dirham as well, right? So this is very cool picture. I just show you my, when you go to there, when you download this one. Okay, download the app, and after app download, you go to, there is me. Okay, then you can see there is option is for PayBy. Just click on there. So there is, you can see how much money actually I earned from there. Okay, so when you go there, always you can get, as you see, daily reward cash gift up to 8 on. I already claim it, so I will check again maybe because this one coming again and again. So I just try again one more time, maybe I can get some more. So let's see. Yeah, see, just now I receive again this 10 cents. This is live proof, you can see right now, right? There is no any hacking, copy paste, something. So I received this one. Now you can see, I will show you my wallet, how much I have earned from there. As you can see there, I have, there is credit is 90.28, and okay, just go net. So this one available credit, as you can see, 90.20. so this one I can use as anything I want. I can do how do, I will show you also as well. So this is go left, and you can see there is balance. I have 17 over there, you can see. Okay, and I can withdraw by the, if you click and withdraw, you can transfer to your bank account, or you can take your withdraw cash as you want, you can take from there. Okay, so now this money how coming to your account? This is very simple. You just need to install this app, and that's it. If you install, that's it. This always you often coming to your me, and when you go me and PayBy, after that you click PayBy, and you will get always or else you can go discover. When you go to the discover, you can go direct from there PayBy. When you click on it, they will show you this link where you can get the gift. Just click on it and receive a money like I receive. Okay, just now I show you that as you can see there, just now I received as 10 cents, as you can see over there, 10 cents I receive already there. So you can see the time also right now. When I showed the recording 3:49, and I received 3:47, right? 3:47 and 24:12 2020 I received this one, right? So that's, as you can see over there. So it's like that you can make unlimited money from there, which one I make already from there. So as you can see, so I give to the link on the description, because this app is not available with every device. Okay, so you just go to there and description and click on there, install this app, and when you install, there is I have one referral code as well. I just give you in the description. When you put in this referral code, you can get I can get 5 when you upload this video, right? When you install this app, I will receive also 5 aid. So same like you also can earn money when you have this app, you have this app, then you can referral also your friend, okay? And you can play game also over there, so you scratch and win. If you pay money, they will give you a scratch, you can earn money a lot of from there. So and when you referral, as you can see, I'll show you right now. Alright, when you click there, see I got already 10 from there, right? So how I get this 10? When you invite your friend, as you can see, when you invite your friend, alright, when you invite your friend, every friend you invite, they will put this code, okay? It's 10005. This is my code. For your case, there is coming different code, okay? When you install this app, just put this code for me, so I will get also 5. Alright, so like that you can continuously earning from there when you give and referral your code, invite your friends, you can invite by Facebook, WhatsApp or anything like that, and you can earn from there. So this is the referral system, okay? And when someone install this app, they will receive also, and you can recharge your money, mobile, everything from there. And if you want to take loan, like you want to take loan from them, so you can take loan also from them, up to 5,000 dirham you can take from their loan, okay? So at the starting, you can see over there, I can take now, my limit is 500 right now, credit limit, because I never take loan, I no need. If I want, I can take from them. Their early processing fee is 26% off right now because of Christmas, so there is a 38 dirham you have to pay. So in the coupon you add, there is 9 cuttings, so 471 they will give it to your account. If you just click take money, simple as it, that give take money and you can receive this money. But for that you have to make your profile first, then you can make from there. And if you want to shopping anything, you can do from there. You can transfer money, you can cash give. If you go cash give, this already I show you before my cash gift, okay? So you can, how can you get cash back and how much they earn. Your lucky draw, you can see lucky draw share the love to total amount of number you parents. As you can see there, for the lucky draw show you now before the game scratch in love, they get 831 someone. So you can earn from their money also. This very easy. There is someone get 32 and all thing are you can check from there everything. So this is very simple. I give it to you the link on the description. Just go to the description, click on it and take your money from there. So you don't need to do any work or anything, just open the app always and use it. And this app you can use for call, you can talk with your friends, family, and whatever you want, you can do anything from there. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this method, please do subscribe my channel, and I hope you understand. So if you really like, please thumbs up and make subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon. So like that app, I'll show you each and every time that you can make money from them. Okay, thank you guys, see you in the another video.